Howdy y'all, haven't done a run and gun episode in a while, so here we go. Alright, so here we are at the workshop. Now, yesterday I went and collected that is the old 1KD from the Hilux. Now, I suspected that it probably blew a hole in the block or munched cylinder number 4 because it had no compression left. So today we're going to pull it down and find out exactly what happened. So, here we go. Alright, so on closer inspection, it looks like the water jacket here, this one here, the head gasket has failed in those two, and let water into the cylinders there. Because we've got a different, you can't see it on camera, but there is definitely a ring of where water's been sitting. And if you look at the head here, all that. If you look at the head here, all that sort of an indication that the water's got up in under the head gasket and just ruined everything. So yeah, I'd say that's probably our culprit for dying on me. Alright, so the last time I was in here, this wasn't put together. Pretty much straight after I finished filming that, I got bored and I put the front end of this together. So that is now complete. Just having a chat the other day, we're undecided as to whether we're going to paint the thing or, and here's the or, give it a wrap. Now, as far as wrap's concerned, thinking like the black and red Advan livery, so the one with the stripes that go across the back like that, and then it's black at the front, so it's got the red stripes at the back, black at the front, and then it's got Advan usually down the door and across the bonnet. If you've got any other ideas on what would look pretty good, just leave it in a comment down below and I'll pass them on to my brother, because he does watch these videos as well, so he'll probably see your comments too. And so yeah, just let us know. Alright, so I thought, it's bright, I thought I'd give you a bit of a bonus one from the workshop. See, one of the guys around here owns a performance shop, so it's called Neil Low Performance. You've probably heard of it before once in a while. They do a lot of world time attack stuff. So he's got his car with that sitting in my driveway. Usually, because I'm not here, I'm not so worried. You know, I'm not too bothered by people parking in here. So yeah, occasionally I get to look at things like this up close. And this looks like an Evo 6 front mount on it, single seater. Definitely a time attack car. I'd say probably in the open class. Probably not in the pro class. Look at that. What size tyres are these? They must be massive. And 295 30 18, so yeah, they're quite big. So yeah, there's a bonus one for you.